So, if you want to learn how easy it is, whether you're a beginner or are just looking to sock away a little money, then this video is for you. So, what you're seeing here is Acorns. It is an app that you can download to your phone. The great thing about Acorns is it just rounds up the change to an even number and puts that into this account. So let's say you use your bank card to get something at the store and the total is 24.50, just to give you an easy number. So it will round it up to $25 even and put that 50 cents into your Acorns account. Then what you can do is just have it set up to automatically invest. And once that is set, you literally never have to do anything else. As you see, my total in my account is 247. So if you scroll down here and hit recent activity view all, my total invested is 197. Dividends received $6.71. But as you remember, even that you're talking 204, but it says 247. So that's how much my account has gone up. Now, obviously, I haven't been doing this for very long, but as you can see, you know, the longer this goes, you could have hundreds and if not thousands of dollars just earning money and making you money. My portfolio is set to aggressive, and this is how they split it up. And again, it's just automatic. It automatically invests in those categories of stock for you. You don't even have to do anything. I have it set to aggressive, mainly because I feel I'm young enough that if, the stock market goes down, I know it will rebound. But as you can see, you can show what your roundups are. You can do one-time deposits if you want to build up your account. It's great. And again, roundup settings is set to automatic because anytime I use my card, I, of course, want it to round up and put that money in here. And as you see, I'm up 35%. That's pretty good. The last 30 days I haven't invested anything. Unfortunately, I had to cancel my card, so I actually have to relink my account, which I'll do. But yeah, Acorns is great. And again, it's kind of a set it and forget it. You're not going to notice 20 cents here, 30 cents there. And if you use your card a lot, you're going to deposit a lot. I mean, it could be $100 a month. I mean, that's $1,200 a year. That's pretty good for just essentially investing pocket change. And you will be amazed at how fast it will grow. You'll go a year and it won't even be 1,200. It might be twice that, depending on how well the stock market is doing. But again, anyone can afford 20 cents here, 30 cents there. I can't see that making or breaking anybody. So this is a really no-nonsense kind of way to invest. And really, all you have to do is set up the roundups, attach your account, how aggressive or conservative you want to be with the stocks you invest in, and then everything's just automatic. It just happens. It's great. I can't recommend this enough. Even if you're experienced, which I do feel that I am because I have been investing in stocks for a couple decades now, but it's just this little extra money. It all adds up in the end, so I think you should go for it. I think you'll be happy with your results. And if you don't mind, I do have a affiliate link in the description, and we both benefit because we'll both get money out of it, so I would appreciate if you clicked on it. And also, if you thought this video was useful at all, I ask that you please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I will be posting more videos about investing and side hustles and just multiple forms of income. So, until the next video.